Okay. So yesterday we have discussed about inner join, right? So I just want you to write one point, before this. I mean, after this inner join, there is a question. Right? I already told you, right? There is a functional question which usually clients will ask, and based upon that, we need to decide whether it is inner join or left order join and all. Okay. So I forgot to tell that question. So if you have a gap, you know, uh, after abbreviation of inner join, if you have a gap, so can you please write down this question, or maybe you can write after the inner join also. That's fine. Okay. Yeah. So this is how they'll write, ask a question. Write a query. Write a query to get write a query to get account details write a query to get account details and their respective transaction details write a query to get account details and their respective transaction details their respective transaction details whose account holder has at least one transaction, whose account holder has one or more than one transaction. You can write whose account holder has one or more than one transaction. Okay. So in this case, so definitely we should go for matched records. So definitely for each person, if there is a record in the right hand side, a match record, then only this case will satisfy, and for that we'll use the inner join. Okay. Inner join will give us only match records. Okay. So next, one second. Okay. So here we'll write like, yeah, next, write down one more example for inner join. Write a query. You can take example 2 and then write a query to get account details and loan details. Write a query to get account details and loan details Who has at least one loan? Who has at least one loan? Who has at least one loan? In the bracket, that's all the question. Okay, and that's in the bracket. I'll tell you what are the required columns. ANO, account number, comma accountant name, comma loan number, comma loan amount, comma loan tenure. These are the required columns. I think we can go in another way. Can you please mention, like, in the left hand side table, I said account number or account name, right? Can you also add all the columns like account address, account date of birth, and is active? Because in the previous example already we have taken two columns, right? Let's take all the columns from account details. Okay, can you please mention that, comma account number, account address, comma account and date of birth, comma active. All the columns from left hand side table and few columns from right hand side. Understand what I said? See, for this scenario, we have to bring all the columns from left hand side, and in the right hand side table, I have to bring only amount and loan number and tenure. Okay. Kavita. Kavita.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please give me the query for this exam example?
For inner join, sir. Sir,
Yes.
select
Select
a dot account number,
a data account number.
account and name, a dot account name.
Let me tell you one thing. See, we required all the columns from the left hand side, correct?
Yes.
So in that case, no, you need not to specify the column names actually. Okay. So one by one, see, if there is only few columns, then only mention column names. If all the columns they're requesting, now you can put a dot star. Okay.
Okay.
You get everything from the left hand side.
Oh.
Next.
L dot loan number.
T dot
Loan number.
Loan number.
Comma T dot amount, loan amount.
Okay.
Comma T dot loan tenure.
Loan tenure. Okay.
From account details.
Account details.
As A or A. Inner join.
Inner join.
Loan details.
Loan details.
T as T.
Maybe we can put L, no?
Yes.
Okay, let me keep instead of T, I'll just keep L also here.
Okay.
Usually we'll take a first letter in the table.
Yes, sir. T.
Yes.
On.
One second, I'll keep as here also. On.
A dot.
A dot.
account number
Account number.
equal to L dot loan number. Sorry, account number.
Yes. So I have to join account number to account number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me take. Thank you. Vignesh.
Yes, sir.
Vignesh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For this query, can you give me the result set, please?
First, account details.
Okay. You want me to write all the column names?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Account number,
Let me copy it. Okay.
and the loan number,
Okay.
loan amount,
Okay.
loan tenure.
Okay. Okay. Can you join and tell me?
Account number 2,
Okay. For first one, do you have any matching
first
record?
one, no matches.
Okay. It won't come. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Account number 2, Lakshmi, Lakshmi, Hyderabad, whole column.
Okay.
And loan number 5001,
5001.
10 lakhs, and loan tenure 10.
Okay. Next.
Again, account number 2, loan number 5002,
Okay.
loan amount and loan tenure 5.
Okay.
Again, account number 4.
Third doesn't have any records here, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, we are looking into this table. Okay, don't confuse this table and this table I'm joining. Okay. Yeah. Fourth guy
Account
has
number 4.
yes. So he has three matching records, correct?
3 match records.
Okay, I'll copy 3 times.
Loan number 5003 and 5 up to 5005.
Okay.
Loan tenure 10/5/15.
Okay. Then
Account number 5.
yes, he has also one.
Loan number 5006.
Okay.
Amount and loan tenure 15.
Okay, and this is the data, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one thing you want to remember while performing a join now, if one row is matched, multiple times, more than one time also, still it will give us the result set. Okay. If this record is matching 100 times in the right hand side, all the 100 records will come. Do remember it. That's how it will be in the joins. Don't take only one record, even though there are multiple records multiple matching records. Okay, so you have to take everything if it is matched. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
And one more thing, in case of inner join, okay, in case of inner join, what if we swap the tables? I mean, loan detail. See now for this inner join, right? Left hand side, whatever table we have, that is left side table. Right hand side, whichever table we have, that is the right side table. Okay, this left table, this is right table, guys. Okay, now what if we swap the table? Swapping means if I keep this left loan details in the left hand and account details in the right hand side, what will happen? Let's see. Okay, will the result set would be same or different? Let's see. Just a second. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just take this one as home details, account details as A. Okay, and this on condition also, if you want, you can shift, nothing will happen. Okay, so if you want L dot loan number in the left hand side, okay, you can take like this also, no issues. Okay, let's see what could be the result set. Okay, so Lakshman, okay, Neeraj,
First it will
yeah, so what will
account
happen?
number.
Yeah, from where to where the join will happen?
From loan details to account details we have to match.
From loan details to account details. Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay, so
Then
from which
account
column to which
number
column?
2.
Okay, this column to
Account number.
account number. Okay,
Yeah.
so what will happen?
Then we have to consider this first row, that's account
Okay.
number 2.
Okay,
2 here Lakshmi.
okay, it will give one record, correct? First,
Yes.
so let me write only two values. Okay, two.
Okay. Then next 2. Account number 2. That is
So which means these two again it will join one more time, correct?
Lakshmi's. Yes.
Then
Then nothing is there. Then 4
with
4, that is Mahesh. Then 4 with 4.
Okay, one more time, 4 with 4, 3 times, correct?
Okay, yeah.
Then
5 with 5, Najia.
okay, so now will the result set would be same or not in both the cases?
Yeah, it's same.
Same, right? See here also when you perform left to, I mean, account details to loan details, right? We are getting 2 2s and 3 4s, and then 1 same here, correct?
Yeah.
So nothing but in case of inner join, guys, even if swap the tables or conditions, doesn't matter. Okay, the result set would be same, no issues actually. Okay, swapping is nothing but right table will keep it in left table will keep it in right. Clear?
In that case, order, like column order, is going to change.
Yeah, so in that case, see, the column order will depends on how you put it in the select class. See, in the select class, what I did, I have mentioned a dot star, right? So which means from the right hand side table, it will take first the
Okay.
column name, and from the left hand side table, it will take the next. So it is not depends on the join which order it will take. It depends on what you put it in the select class.
Okay.
Okay, here whichever way you want, you can keep it. Okay, if you want right side table first, you can keep it that, or if you want to mix the columns in between, yes, you can do that, no issues at all.
Clear.
Yeah, that's how it will be. Okay. Okay, can you please write down this result set? No need to draw these tables, guys, because I already have these tables now. Correct?
Once it's swapped, so the right side will become right side or left side, sir.
Sorry?
So once if it is swap.
Yeah, once the table is swapped, okay. Now loan details is the left side table, account details is the right side table.
The
Okay.
position will be get changed.
Now, yeah, the position will get changed, and even the join also. See, the join anyway it will happen from left to right only.
Exactly.
Okay, always.
Out.
Okay, always in the inner join, it will be from left to right. Okay. So now your left table is what? Loan detail.
Loan table. Yes, sir.
So now from this table to this table, it will happen. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So, but in the select class, you can select anything, whichever order you want, you can select anyway, no issues.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you please write down this? Can you write down this query? And also what you can do, just mention like below or and write down this way also. So which means that you can write the same query in a two ways. Okay. I think first write down these queries, guys. Okay, then you write down these results. You got it? What I said
Yes.
for the question, whatever I explained now. For the question, this is the answer. Okay, write down this query and below or and the same query you can write it in another way also. Then this is the final result set you need to write. Don't draw the tables. Fine.
Sir, one question. Sir, is it mandatory to apply primary key or foreign key while performing the operations?
No,
Okay.
no, there is no primary key, foreign key. Still, we can perform join. That's what I said now. Joins can perform either in relational, non-relationship tables. Okay. So for the same tables, even if there is no primary foreign, right? Still, you can join. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Hi, sir. Sir,
Tell me.
yesterday I had posted a question in the group, sir, that I created a table with the schema and I want to reset. I'm trying to reset the value. It's not happening, sir.
You created a schema for a table. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So while reseeding, you have to keep the table name along with the schema.
Yeah, I kept, sir, but it's showing error.
Okay, could you please forward to me personally so that I'll reply?
Yeah, okay.
Once it is done, let me know, guys. Done. Done, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's see. Okay, let me pick a person. Sadasiv. Hello. Sadasiv. Are you there? Yeah, Abhay. Abhay. Why no one is responding? Ganesh. Okay, Ganesh joined recently. Lavan.
Sir,
Yeah. Okay. Now, see, there is two tables. Okay. T1 and T2. And I have column names ID1 and ID2. Single columns in each table. Okay. Now, there is no relationship at all, no primary foreign keys here. So that's why if you see here, I have mentioned the same row multiple times. Here also I have same row multiple times. Okay. There is no relationship between the tables at all. Still we can perform joins, right? Hello.
sir.
Still we can perform joins or not?
We can, sir.
We can, right? Okay.
Sir.
So now I want you to perform inner join. Okay. You
Sir.
don't need to tell the query. I want the result set. So what will happen if you perform an inner join between these two tables? If you want, I can write the query. So you can tell me the result set. Let me write the query first. So select, I need all the columns, let's say. So if you need all the columns from both the tables, simply mention star, guys. That's it. Select star from T1, inner join. And one more thing, you need not to write inner join also, simply write join. That is also fine. It will act like an inner join only. 2 on T1 dot ID1 equals to T2 dot ID2. Okay. Now can you tell me the result set, final result set? Ultimately,
Sir.
star means from both the columns.
Both.
Yes,
Sir.
2 columns will come. Yes, tell me.
So one
One.
will match with one.
Okay.
This one also match with one.
Can you tell me the result set here? 1.
1, 1.
It's not 1, 1. It's 1
1.
and then next
1, 2.
2 are. ఒకటి రెండుతో మ్యాచ్ అవుతుందా?
లేదు సార్.
Then
1.
See this 1, it will map with all the records, correct?
Sir.
How many matching records are there?
Only one.
Only one. So we have already written.
Yeah.
Now go to this one.
Yeah, okay.
And then again map it.
Yes, sir.
Now how many matchings are there?
1.
Then 1, 1.
1.
Then
1.
again one more 1 is
One
there.
is
It will map all the records as there is only one matching record. 1, 1.
Yes.
Then
2.
2.
2 with 2. 2 with 2. 2 with 2.
Okay, for first of all 2, how many matching records are
3
there?
matches. 3 matches.
3 matched. Okay, again one more 2 is there.
2 is, yeah. Again 3 matches.
3 matched records will come.
Yeah.
Then
for 3, it's first 3, it's 3 records. 3.
Okay, 3 records. Okay,
Yeah.
let's put it over here. Okay.
For 1, for 4, there is no records, sir.
Okay. Then
For 5 also no records.
okay.
6, there is a 1 record.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the total number of records now?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
13, sir. 9.
13.
13.
It is 4. So that totally 13 records.
13.
Correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
So in the interview, no. So they'll ask like this. Okay. Simply they'll give you single, I mean columns in 2 tables, and they will perform inner join. They will ask us to show the result set. Okay. So they'll ask, this result set sometimes, or they will ask you the total number of you. Give me the total number of records. Okay. And most probably nowadays it is happening through telephonics or Skypes, right, or Zoom, right? So they will tell you, on the air. So what you need to do is you need to write down all the numbers, whatever they're saying. Then you need to calculate, okay, how many number of ones are there, how many number of twos are there. So based upon that, you need to tell the count. Okay. If they'll ask these numbers, right? So definitely you should write all these things. Then only you can easily match the records and you can tell. Okay. And when they ask this count, right, the simplest way, say instead of going with this approach, right, if they ask the number of records for the inner join, there is a very small, very easiest way will be there. Okay. What is that means? What you can do, see the number of ones in the first table and number of twos in the second table, you just multiply it. So here how many ones are there totally?
3.
3 ones. Here
1.
1.
So 3 into 1?
1.
3.
3.
1.
3. 3.
Please.
Okay. So ones will be 3 rows, correct? So I can just say values, and here I'll just say count. Okay. Yeah. And how many twos are there in the left hand side?
2. 2.
Twos. And here
3.
3 into 2?
6.
Okay. 2 6 are there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Then what about 3?
1.
1.
1.
1. Left hand side 1.
Right
Right
hand
hand.
side 3.
1 into 3?
3.
3.
3 3s are there. Next 4s 0.
0.
5s
0.
0.
0. 6
1.
1.
1.
1. Now this count you can sum it. Now you'll get 13 records, correct?
Yes, sir.
They'll ask the total number of records, right? You can go this approach actually. And if they'll ask, give me the total number of records, then you need to give all this set. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is how it will be. See, there is no primary foreign relationships. Okay. So in the left and right, we may have a multiple records, same records, correct?
Yeah.
So these are they'll ask in the interview, guys. And let me pick another person.
Like I was having some confusion here. Can you compare T1 and T2? You compare, right?
Correct.
So if you come for a number integer 2, right? So how it is going to compile in the table 2? Like we have 3 rows of 2s. We have in the resultant you have given a 2.
See, in the left hand side we have these 2, right? What this will do? This will map all the records in the second table, correct?
Correct.
When it is mapping, whichever matched records are there, all those records it will get, correct?
Correct.
So what it will do is these 2 it will join one time, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So here it will represent 2.
Okay.
And the same 2 it will join one more time.
Okay.
It will match one more time, correct?
Yeah.
So one more time 2 will come. So this will again match one more time, correct?
Okay. Now clear. I thought you are putting the value. It's clear.
No. So here, this example, where is this? In this example, see this Lavan Kumar is printing multiple times because all these transactions are belongs to him only, correct?
Yeah.
So that's why it is representing multiple times. In the similar way, when this record is matching multiple times in the right hand side, right? The same record will print multiple times in the left hand side also, in the result set. Not in the table, but in the result set. And one more time 2 is there, no?
Correct.
So it will match 3 times. So left hand side also 3 2s will come, right hand side also 3 2s will come.
Okay. Yeah.
So it will be. Okay. Okay, let me pick another person. Salman.
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you another table for you.
Yeah.
T1 and T2. And this is one of the question which I have faced in my second interview in iGate, the company called iGate. Okay, so can you please tell me how many records will come in the inner join? What are those records? So please do not answer anyone. Whomsoever I'll ask, only those person has to respond. Yes, Salman, go ahead.
1 1
1 1.
1 1 like that 4 times. Then again 4 times.
Okay. The same set again 4 times, you mean to say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then again 4 times. And 4 times.
Okay. So how many records, total number of records?
16, sir. 16. 24, 16.
Adding knowledge, do not answer. Okay. So in the left hand side, we have a 4 ones, and right hand side also we have a 4 ones. Okay.
Yeah.
So totally it will be 16 records, correct? 4 into 4.
Yeah.
Okay. So I said only 1 in the interview. Okay.
Oh,
so then he asked me about my experience, how much experience you have. I said 4 years experience. Only one question, guys. That's Pasak. Okay. He said that, okay, you can leave for the day. So I have very more knowledge about the SQL. So you can try for other interview. Okay. Only one question. Next. So now one more thing I want to tell you. See, when they'll ask such kind of questions, right? So the same number of records in the left and right side table. Very, very simple, guys. Okay, what you need to do, if the same number of records are there, blindly you can do cross multiplication. Okay, number of records in first table into number of records in the second table. For any join it is same, guys, not only for inner join. We have another joins also, right? Left outer, right outer, full outer, cross join. In this case, okay, so we can blindly tell them like 16 records. Yeah. So when I was doing the course, right, so the same course, so this question is a famous question actually. Wherever you go, they'll ask this question. 4 ones and 4 ones, what could be the result set for all the joins? For any join, the result set would be 16 only. Okay, first one will map with all the records. So there are 4 records for matching records for first one, right? So that's what we have written here. And for second one, one more, one more time 4 matching records are there. For third one also 4 matched, fourth one also 4 matched. 4 into 4, 16 records totally. Clear? Yeah. So in place of ones, if I keep zeros, then how many records?
0.
0.
Anything with 0 is 0.
Both
Anything
sides
with
zero,
0.
sir.
See,
I mean, if you multiply with 0, it will automatically
Zero.
be 0 value, right?
why you are multiplying? Tell me.
16 only, sir.
16 only, sir.
To occupy
It's 16
space.
only, right?
Yes, sir.
See, you should multiply 4 into 4, not 0 into 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Sorry.
And also the matching also, it will see whether 0 is matching or not. It will not multiply, okay?
Yes.
That's how it will be. Do not confuse. Okay, write down then. So what you need to do, see, there is no specific question, for these things. Okay, simply they'll give you 2 tables. They'll ask you to write a query for inner join and then result set. Yeah. So first you need to draw these 2 tables and then this query and this result set, and finally total number of records should be 13. And at last, this is the shortcut way to count the number of records. Okay. Understand? First draw these 2 tables, then write down this query, then result set, then total number of records, and shortcut way to find the count of records. Yes. Write down. This is for joining non-relationship tables. Okay. This is how it will be. See, the functionality remains same. Okay. The only thing in there are non-relationship tables in both the sides, they will give you the duplicates actually. If we do left horizontal T1, left horizontal T2 for this table, the corresponding will be 15. It will be 3 match. Okay. Yes. Yes. Good. That's correct. If you learn this, joins on the non-relationship tables, right? Then it is very easy to apply on the primary formal relationships. Done?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
sir, suppose if you have two tables, T1 and T2.
Mm-hmm.
In T1, we have two matched records.
Mm-hmm.
And T2 also, we have two matched records.
Mm-hmm.
Is it possible to join both the matched records, sir? I mean, two columns matched records.
Two columns. What is meant by two columns matching records?
In first table, we have two records.
Let me write.
Two columns. Okay.
Two columns, right?
Yes, sir.
Not records.
Yes.
Okay, let's say ID1 and name.
Name.
Okay. Then.
In T2 also ID1 name.
Okay.
So if we join ID1 name from T1 and ID1 name from T2.
Okay. So you mean to say, can we join name with name, right?
Yes, sir.
Usually we can join it. There is no problem with the joining because joins can perform for any column to any column. I mean, data type should be same between the columns, key columns, but the key columns can be integers or varchars or dates. It's fine actually. Okay. So I'll give you an example. It's not, see, generally we just joined, integers here, no? So in my project, right? So there is something called a case ID actually. Yeah, we have a serial number, okay, where we'll be having 1 2 3 4 5, but case ID will be something like it will be CN0190, something like this. In the other table also we have a case ID, and it contains same like characters and integers. Now you can join this section. Okay. So see, there is no problem with the joining name to name. Yeah, but usually people will not do that, as there is a primary foreign key relationship, right? People will follow to join those primary foreign key, key columns only, always. Yeah.
Yes.
And one more thing, see, in any tables, right, we will not have this combination name. Okay. Let me just hold a second, guys. I'll just explain to you. See, here we have an account name, right? Will you maintain the same account number in the transaction details? Hello?
Oh, sure.
Here we have account name, right?
Yes, sir.
So will you maintain the same account number in the transaction details?
Yes.
No, not required, no? See, if you maintain like that, so Lavan Kumar, you have to mention how many times? Totally 4 times you have to mention, correct?
Yes.
So it's a space consumption, right? Correct?
Correct.
It will occupy more memory actually. No need to mention like that. Okay. So anyway, this account name will not mention in the transaction table. Will maintain only one time. If you need this information, simply join account number to account number and get this information. Okay. So name to name, anyway, we won't join, and we will not have the same name column in the other table. Okay. Understand?
Yes.
But in the interview point of view, when they'll ask you to join, let's say there is 1 2 3 4, and here I have a B, C, and 1, 1, 2, 3 or 4, and they'll say AA, BP. So they'll ask you to join name to name, right? Yes, you can join it. Okay. In place of A dot ID, right? We'll keep A dot name equals to B dot name, or T1 dot name equals to T2 dot name. Now here also same. How many matching records are there for A?
2 matched records.
Two matched records. And for B?
2,
Four.
4 matched
Totally
records.
4. Okay. So it will be 2 plus 4, 6 records will come
6
in.
records.
Okay. So there is no problem in the joining. Okay. You can join from any column to any column. I mean, data type should be same, but any column to any column you can join. There is no problem with that, right? Sorry. This B, it will join 2 times, and the second B again it will join 2 times, right? Sorry. Attangala. Hello, can you repeat it? Who's that? Can you repeat what you asked?
Vinod, if we give ID1 name is Pujita, ID1 for table to another different name means it will, how it will show?
Can you repeat it again?
ID1.
Okay.
And name is Pooja.
ID1 name is Pooja. Okay.
ID to table to ID1 name is Krishna.
Pusha. Okay. In this
How
case,
how we can join in that cases?
see, that's what in the interview, in the real time, this case won't come. That's for sure. Okay. In the both the tables will not maintain name column, right? But in the interview point of view, if they'll give no, so if they'll ask us to join the name with name, no, so Pooja won't match with the Usha, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it won't come. If at all there is a one more record like Pooja here, then it will join and it will give us the result set. This Pooja will join over here and the respective result set. So what exactly will come means 1 Pooja, 1 Pooja. It will come like this.
Okay. And yesterday you told that one key is mandatory between the all tables.
Yes.
While doing the prerequisites.
Here, exactly. Here the key column is name column.
Okay.
Okay, whichever joining key column is there, right? That is our key column. Yeah.
Okay.
See, usually key column can be anything. Okay, it can be a data, vector data type, it can be integer data type, anything it can be. But mostly 99.9% in the real time, the key columns would be always will choose it as account numbers. I mean, the primary foreign key relationship columns only. In the real time point of view, only in the interview point of view, they'll tell you on which column to which column we want to change. That is our key column. It can be name to name, it can be date to date, it can be ID to ID. Okay. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. Okay. Done, right? Have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Can you make one more example and write down this one as well? 4 ones with 4 ones in the second table and inner join these main records. See, you can write down. Okay, all these records you can write down in the below because I don't have space, so that's why I have written in the right hand side. I want you to mention in the below all 16 records. Okay, and total number of records would be 16. Write down this example. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
So now these enough. See, again these joins will come later. Yeah, so we'll just pass it out this one, and then we'll go for left outer join. Make a side heading, please. Left outer join or left join. Left outer join or left join. Abbreviation. When we perform left join, between two or more tables, we'll get all the matching records between all the tables and unmatched records from left side table. And unmatched records from left side table, comma, for those unmatched records, it will assign nulls in the right table. For those unmatched records, it will assign nulls in the right side table. Finished?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Below that, make a formula. You can put a rectangular and then write down the formula, then put a rectangular box for that. Yeah, left outer join equals to inner join plus unmatched records from left table. This is the formula, guys. Left outer join equals to inner join plus unmatched records from left table. Just make a rectangular box for that formula.
Is this vice versa as well?
Sorry?
Like, is this vice versa, like from right to left as well?
No, right to left, it will be for right join.
Okay, fine.
Done?
Yeah.
So what you need to remember in the left join, right? From the left side table, everything will come. That's the one point you need to remember. From the left side, everything will come. The only thing what will happen is, if there is a matched record in the right side table, matched records will come. If there is no matching for that records, null records will be present. That's it. Understand?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah, that's it. Okay. So first what we will do, we'll do the same left out join between these tables. Yeah. And then we'll go for that, primary foreign key relationships. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So I'll just go ahead with left join here, or left outer join. Both are same actually. Left join or left outer join T2 and T1 to T2. So now for this left outer join keyword also, whichever is left table, that is left side table, right will be right side table. Okay. See, always do remember for this join, right? For this join keyword, whichever is left, that is left table, whichever is right, that is your right table. Irrespective of any join. Yeah. And even for left join also, the join will happen from left to right only. Okay. Left to right. So which means now according to this example, T1 to T2, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask person Jyoti. Jyoti, are you there? Okay. Gagana.
Yes, sir.
Can you give me the list of records here
Yeah.
for left out region?
Yeah.
1,
3 times. 1.
One,
Sorry.
one.
1. Yeah. 1.
Mm-hmm.
1.
Mm-hmm.
For first 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
Second 2 times.
2, okay.
3. Sir, only 2.
This 1, 2 will join how many times? 3 times.
Okay.
For 1, 2, I have written 3 times, and for second 2, I have written 3 times.
3 times.
3 times. Okay. Okay.
4.
4.
In year null records. ID to
Okay.
5.
5.
Null.
Okay.
10 null.
10 null. Okay. For an example, if I have here's 11, then
2, 3. First 2, 3 times, and 11 will be null.
okay, exactly. So 11 will be null. Then this will go upward. Correct? This out will be correct. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Understand? See, now if you see from the left hand side, everything is came. All the records are came. Yeah. If at all there is a matching records, those matching records come in the right hand side. And if there is unmatched records, okay, so then in the right hand side, null records will come, because for 11 there is no matched record in the right. So it will assign null. For 4, 5, 10 also there is no matching records in the right. So it will assign nulls in the right. For all the columns in the right table. Do remember it. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down this, please. You draw this table again. Write down this query. Then this data. This is the output actually for that query. Everyone is understanding now? Please let me know if you have any questions. So here we have 111 and 4 ones, 4 ones, right? If you do a leftover join, what will happen?
Will be no null.
Sorry?
There will be no null, sir.
How many records will come?
16 records.
16 records. Okay.
Yes.
See, leftover join is nothing but inner join plus unmatched record from left, right? So basically, whatever we'll get for inner join, the same thing will come. On top of it, if there are unmatched records, it will come, those records as well. So there is no unmatched here, no?
Yes, sir.
So obviously we'll get the 16 records for same leftover join also. For these results, for this input, guys, for every join, the same records will come.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, now in case of left outer join, the total number of records will be 14 or it will be the same as a
how many
previous
number
one.
of here totally? It is 13, right?
We will consider that null one also.
Sorry?
Does we consider that null one also?
Yeah, everything
Yes,
will be
we'll
considered. For the output, now all the records will be considered. Okay. So total will be 13 records. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yes.
if I want to show just unmatched records,
Yeah, write down this. I'll tell you how to retrieve only unmatched records.
okay.
Let me know once it is done. Finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Write down this total number of records also, please. Yeah, below that, write a query. Write a query to filter the unmatched records. Write a query to filter the unmatched records from above result set or in leftover join result set. Write a query to filter out unmatched records from leftover join result set. Okay. So in SQL Server, to filter, what exactly we'll use? Which class?
Where class?
Where class. Okay. So here also same thing, guys. So for this query, this is the whole result set, right? On top of this query, we'll simply put that where class. Okay. That where class should come always after on class. Do remember it. Okay. So where. So in which table these nulls are present? I mean, in the output.
T2 table.
T2 table, correct? So you need
Yes.
to mention T2.id2. And how will you retrieve the null values?
Is null.
Yeah, we should not put equals to null. It should be is null, correct?
Yes.
And this is null should be two different keywords. Right? Should not include, because we include no. There is a function called is null also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, is null you need to put. So now what will happen now? So it will filter only the null records in the right hand side, whatever it is there, and you will get finally 11, 4, 5, 10 and null, null. That's it. Your match records will filtered out actually. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Write down this query and the result set would be how many records?
4 records.
Only 4 records. So you can just mention these records also. Write down the query first. The entire query you need to write. Don't include the in the above query the where class. You have to write the same query again and include that where class. Clear?
Yes.
Right. This query and this out. Any questions? Kiran, you asked a doubt now that schema while resetting you are mentioning the schema name then table name, right?
Yes,
so can you please mention that schema name, table name, entire thing in a square brackets and try?
I directly dragged from the left side, sir. That's also not happening.
No, that schema and table name, have you put everything in the square brackets?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll check it. Without schema, it's working.
Without schema, it's working, sir.
Oh, okay. Then I think in the reset case, it doesn't require the schema name maybe. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the leftover join, one thing you need to remember is if we swap the tables now, then your result set will be differ, guys. Okay. Only in the inner join, it can be swapped and the result set will be same. But if we swap the tables in case of this one, right? So then definitely your result set will gonna change. See, nothing will happen if you change this condition. Condition can be changed, no issues. But this left and right table, if you swap now, your result set will be completely changed, and I can show you the difference here. Gaganna, I think you have answered for earlier question.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me pick another person. Nidhi.
Yes, sir.
So here I have taken T2 table in the left hand side table and T2 in the right hand side. Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
And also T2 table column first and T1 table column next. Now can you tell me the join result set?
Okay. 1 3 times.
So you're joining from where to where?
T2 to T1.
Okay, from wherever you're joining and which table you are taking, first table, right? Left table. I'm just colorizing it into orange, and whichever you are taking in the right side now, I'll be taking red. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me.
1 3 times.
Three
One more.
times. Okay. See, this column I have written over here, guys, and this column I have it written in the right hand side. Do remember it. Or if you want to keep ID1 as it is, ID2 here, I'll keep like this also, no issue. Yeah, tell me.
2 to 3 times.
2 3 times, right? Okay,
Yeah.
2 2. Okay. Then
3 times.
3 times. Then
6 null.
6 null.
7 null, 8 null, and 9 null.
7 null, 8 null. 8
Yes, 8 null,
null. Okay.
9 null.
Okay, now if you see this, guys, okay, so the maybe the number of count of records are same, that's fine, but every time it will be not same. Okay, every time the count of records also will be not same. Can you see the result set? Will it be same or different?
Different.
The inner join result set is same. There is no problem with that, correct?
Yes, sir.
The inner join result set is same. The only thing is the unmatched records in the right. I mean, this T2 table onwards it will take, correct?
Yes.
Because this is the left table, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now if you see in the left side, I mean T2 table, this is the left table. So the unmatched records are 6, 7, 8, 9. And for that, it will assign the nulls in the left side, I mean right side table. Your right side table is T1, right?
Yes.
Yes. So now the result, if you swap the tables, the result set will be gonna change in the left outer join, guys. Do remember it. Okay. Now if you ask me, sir, in real time, which table I should consider as a left table and which table I should consider as a right table means, once we'll go with that example, right? I mean, the primary foreign relationships, I'll tell you which table should be in the left and which table should be in the right in case of left outer join. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the summary over here is in left outer join, if we swap the tables, for sure the result set will gonna change. Okay. The result set might or might not be the same. Okay. Now you should be very careful while selecting the left and right tables. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
here 11 is missing. No? ID1. Why?
No, 11 won't come. Why? Because
Okay,
this is
sir.
your left table, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because for the join keyword you have mentioned T2 as a left table,
Okay,
and
sir.
T1 as a right table, correct?
Okay, sir.
So now according to left outer join, what will come? What exactly will come? All the records from left side table.
Okay,
correct?
sir. Okay,
Whichever
sir.
it is matched records will come. Whichever matched in the left
Okay,
hand.
here in ID2 11 is not there. That's why it's not.
Exactly.
It's,
Yeah.
okay,
So here we have what? we have only 6, 7, 8, 9 is the unmatched
sir, yes,
record
sir.
in the left side table, correct?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Only for that it will assign nulls. 11, 10 won't come into the picture. Why? Because those are the right side table records.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And in this case it came now. It's
Yes,
because
sir.
of
That's
we
fine.
consider these as a left table.
Okay, first. Okay.
Yeah. So that's the reason here the result sets are completely different.
Change.
Yes. Clear?
Like here, when we are comparing the tables, right? For example, T2 to T1, when we are comparing, so the T2 table will come to the left and T1 will come to the right, right? When in
Yes.
case of
Exactly.
SQL.
If you simply mention star, no, what it will do, first it will take T2 table data, then it will take T1 table data. So according to that, now this will come in the left side.
So it is going to swap the data.
Yes, and then this will come in the right side. If you want the T1 table first, then you need to mention T1 dot ID1, comma T2 dot ID2. Okay, but defaultly if we mention star, na, whichever is left table, that table will come in the left hand side. Whichever is right, so the right hand side, the next table data will come. That's how it will be. That's the default behavior. Understand? Yeah. See, just to know about this concept, I have given this example to you. Okay, so it won't help to you in the real time. Just to know that if we swap the tables, the results that will are gonna change in the left outer join. That's what you need to know. Clear, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Let me go with the example now. If you see this, where is our result sets? Okay, here. So if you see, if you can take the same account details and transaction details, right? So in the left outer join, let's say I need all the records irrespective of whether transaction done or not. Okay. So in such a case, what it will come? For first person, 3 matching records will come. And for the second guy, there is no match. I mean, there is no transaction. Correct. But as this is the left table, what will happen?
It will take the
null records.
Yes, it will, as it is, this record will come, but in the right hand side, it will append nulls, correct? And same for 3, there is a match, so that record will come. For 4 also, there are 2 match records, 2 records will come. For 5 also, she has not done any transaction, but still in the left outer join, we require that record, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
So this record will come, but in the right hand side, it will assign nulls, right?
Yes.
So now which is our left table and right table here?
So here
Account details is left table.
Account details is left table, transaction is right table, correct?
Right table. Yes.
And whatever we expected, we got it.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the account details, whether they have done transaction or not, but I need all the records. So I am getting it, right?
Yes.
But in the same case, if we swap the tables, means transaction will be left, account details in the right, and do a left out and tell me the result set.
One will be 3 times.
Okay, 1 will be 3 times.
3 will be
3 will be
one time.
1 time.
Okay.
4 will be 2 times.
4 will be
Correct.
2 times.
So
1
basically,
will
if
be
you
null.
observe, basically if you observe,
2 times, 1 will.
yes. So totally 4 ones, 1 3 and 2 fours.
2 fours.
Correct?
Yes.
So will it be an inner joint result set or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Basically inner joint result set. Okay.
Correct.
Now are we getting 2 and 5 here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
Obviously no, right? Because now this is your left table.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
From the left hand, everything will come. And here we do have a transaction. We don't have any account numbers here, correct? So now you will not get the 2 and 5 when you do the left out join from transaction or account details. Now will it be correct?
Yes.
It's not correct, right? Because we require 2 and 5 also, right? Even though they have done any transaction, still I need that record, correct?
Yes.
But if I do join from T to A, it won't come, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what. So that's what I mean to say. In the left order join, if we swap the tables, the results it will be gonna change. And which table we have to take left table and which table we have to take right table. So now according to situation, we can easily understand. So always your account table should be in the left and your transaction will be in the right side. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Simple terms, your parent will be always in the left side, your child will be on the right side in the left order join. In simply, if I want to tell.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Your parent in the right, sorry. Your parent in the left, your child will be in the right. So parent to child, you need to do the join. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah. It's not all the cases, guys. Again, when you perform multiple joins, it will gonna change. I'll tell you that, okay? But usually it will be parent to child only in the left order join. Only in few cases it will gonna change, but I'll tell you that where exactly it will be. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but in case of inner join,
Like both the sides it has to match.
yeah, you can do any.
Both the sides are same.
Yes, you can do anyway, like parent to child, child to parent, you can do anyway. But usually in the real time, we will always go, parent to child only for inner join also. Okay. Yeah. And one more thing here, if we change this on condition, right, in any of the join, doesn't matter actually. The result set would be same. Okay.
Yes.
So if you put A dot N, L dot ANO first, right, doesn't matter, guys. Matter over here is this one. Okay, which is the left table and which is the right table. Clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah. Can you please write down the question for left order join now? Write a query. See, if I'm going fast, please you stop me and tell me like go slow. Usually I'll speak a little bit faster. Okay, so you tell me. Yeah, write a query to get all the account details and transactions. Write a query to get all the account details and transaction details. Write a query to get all the account details and transaction details, irrespective of whether the transaction is done or not. Okay, irrespective of whether the transaction is done or not. And the transaction to panle manki. If the account number is there, you have to represent in the output. Okay. If the transaction is there, show that. Otherwise, show it as a null. Done? Hello?
Done, bro.
Yeah. So now what you need to do is you need to write down this left outer join query. And I just, let's say we need all the records. Okay. You just put star. Select star from EA, or we can just put EA dot star, all the records from account, and the loan. Let me put like, yeah, we have taken transactions, right? You can take loan also, no issues. Okay. L comma loan number comma loan number comma L dot loan amount. Okay. And from this table, and left join this table as, okay, write down this query and write down the result set as well.
So
Write down
in
this query. Sorry.
In this query, we are considering only loan number and loan amount.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
So not complete table.
Not tenure, only loan amount and loan. And let me write down the result set.
Sir, here only write left outer joint or only left joint?
Left or left or join, both are same, no issues. You can keep anyway. So I'm just keeping the output here. I want you to write, and anyway tenure won't be there. And second record is fine, and fourth record also fine. Between fourth and this one, third record will come, which is having null, because that doesn't have any loan. Okay, write down that query and then this result set, guys. Done?
Sir,
Yes.
loan amount also mentions null, na?
Loan amount also. Yes, yes. See, all the columns in the right hand side table will be null only. Why? Because see, this guy doesn't have any loan, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean, the first guy, right? So, which means there is no loan number, there is no loan amount, loan type number, no loan tenure also. All the columns will be null only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sorry? Finish?
Sir, we no need to write date of birth column, sir.
Date of birth you have to write no, all these columns. Because I mentioned A dot star. Then
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
should I wait? If we keep loan number column as not null, then also results show null, showing null is this by default by given. Sorry, if we keep loan number column as not null, then also results. See, Nataraj. So the thing is, when you perform a join, right, doesn't matter whether this is a not null or a null, doesn't matter actually, because here it is showing, it is selecting and showing you the result set in the output. Okay. In such a case, right, your data types or constraints doesn't matter. It's just a temporary result set for your joining condition. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Because this data won't store in any of the tables. It will be just, pulling and showing to the client. That's it. So that he'll understand, okay, for this guy, there is no loans. Okay. So I hope you understand. Okay. So now, can you write one more question? Write a query. Write a query. To get account and loan details. Sorry, write a query to get account details. Write a query to get account details who are not having any loans. Who are not having any loans. Okay, what to do now? So I need only account details, guys. Okay, I mean account number, name, then their address, date of birth. Okay, whether they are active or not. Only I need this information, but those guys should not have any loans at all. What to do?
We can do account number.
Condition along with account number. Where?
Where condition.
Where, yeah.
Where table?
Account details.
Account details.
Loan details. Loan details.
It's loan details. See this null records you need to pull, which means in the right side table it will be there, na? L dot whichever column you want, you can take it, guys. Okay.
Loan
So you
number.
can take loan number or loan amount, even whatever not represent over here, right? Those columns also you can mention. Loan ANO, loan amount, loan number, loan type, loan tenure, anything you can mention, no issues. As I said, everything will be null only, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can mention anything, no issues. So I'll mention loan number
Is null.
Okay. Loan number is null. Now what will happen? And also, I don't want this loan number, loan amount. Anyway, it is null only, right? I don't want. I need only the account details who does not have any loans. So what is the output now? What is the output?
Only two records.
Lavan Kumar,
Lavan Kumar.
Lavan Kumar and Madhavi.
And only Madhavi will come, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that too. I have requested only account details and I don't want any,
Transaction.
transactions, right?
Loan.
Loans. Why? Because loans anyway it is null. I don't want to represent that. Yes, correct?
Yes.
That's how I mentioned A dot star, guys.
Venus, here in the syntax, A dot star means A represents for account details, right?
Yes, correct.
But we need to pull loan details as well as, right? So
no, in this case, right, whenever I'm pulling this null values, right? Correct. So this entire record along with the nulls will come. Okay. But my requirement is, I don't want to show the nulls to the client.
Okay.
Nulls will be only for pulling.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why I mentioned A dot star. See, if you want, you can put, that L dot LNO, L dot loan amount also. The
So
only
like,
thing here you need to mention null.
Okay. Now there is a scenario like both the tables we need to bring all the data. So in that case, A dot star and comma L dot star, if you put, means it will bring
Directly
all
you can put star. That is also fine.
star is good enough. Okay.
Yes, that is also fine. So this A dot star, L dot star, when it will come, na? So if you want right side table first, left side table next, no? Then in such a case, L dot star, comma A dot star, you can put. Okay. Yeah. So I don't want to show the nulls. I want to show only the account details who does not have any loans. Okay. That's why I have taken only A dot star. Okay. Yeah. Write down this query and this one. And even in the question also I asked the same, right? Write a query to get account details. I did not mention loan, correct?
Yes.
Yeah. See, only the with the single table, one second. Using this table, will you able to find out, the account holder who does not have loans?
No.
No, right? It's not possible. Only the thing is you need to join and get it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's why I have used a join to get the null records. But ultimately in the final, I don't want the nulls to show. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Write down this query and this is the result.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when we are comparing two tables with all the columns, at
Can
the
you
time we have
speak
mentioned,
louder?
sir, when we are comparing two tables, at the time like we want to compare like we need all the columns from the two tables. At the time you have mentioned that in a query we need to mention it as select star.
Yes, exactly.
At that time, how it will like which one it will take as a left table and right
See,
table?
left and right will be taken based upon this this thing. Like for this join keyword, right? Whichever is left, that will take as a first left table. Whichever is right, that will take as a right table. Okay. And when you mention simply star, right? First it will mention left side columns and then it will mention the right side columns.
Okay, sir.
If you simply mention star, If you want right side table columns first, then you need to mention L dot star, comma A dot star.
Okay, okay.
Whichever way you want to mention here, you can mention it. There is no problem at all in the select query.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. You can adjust the column here and there, but originally in your database data pages, this is how the data will be. Here the order won't change. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Only while selecting, the order will gonna change. That's it. So write down this query and write down this answer.
Sir, if you execute this query in SQL, will we get null column?
Sorry?
If you execute this query in SQL, will you get null column, like roll number column?
Roll number. No, it won't come. Why? Because I have selected only A dot star, right?
Okay.
If you need this one also, then you need to mention comma L dot LNO, comma L dot L loan amount.
Okay. Then it will show as null.
Yes. Then it will be showing nulls here.
Okay, sir.
See, obviously null will be there, but I'm not displaying it. That's it. Okay. Yeah. Done?
Yes.
Okay, I think that's it for today. Okay, so if I go and explain a few more things, you will get confused. So you just practice this inner join and left outer join with more and more examples with the 2 tables only. And tomorrow I'll explain to you right outer, full outer cross join, and then multiple tables joining also. Okay. And I want you to try on top of non-relationship tables first. Okay, you take different data and try it. Okay. Yeah, you take nulls, you take zeros, you take ones. Okay, you can take matched, unmatched, all unmatched. Okay, so something like that you can take and perform left and right joins. Swap the tables. Okay, and then try. Okay.
Regarding yesterday's, I just had a query. So when I try to compare two tables, the account number is common, right? That account number is not reflecting in my table.
It's not reflecting in your table.
Like a final output.
Okay, it's because of you might not have taken that column, right? See, account number is only for joining we have taken, right?
If possible, can I share my screen so that will be
Yes.
clear?
Yes, yes. I do understand your question. You can just share the screen. Just a second.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So like I just created a table name 2 and only employee ID and employee salary for the table 2, and similarly I have created a table employee ID and employee name. So I just want to project both name and salary together.
Okay.
I have written a syntax like select T1 e name, comma T2 e salary. So from T1 inner join T2 on T1 employee ID is equal to T2 employee ID. So when I try to execute, I'm getting only the name and salary.
Can you scroll it down a little bit? See,
Just
in the
you-
select query, you have bring only
Just selected only
you
two
selected employee name and employee salary only. This EAD,
Only,
no,
just one.
it will help you to only for joining. If at all you need it in the output, right? Must and should you need to mention in the select clause.
Account number.
Yes, the employee ID. Yeah, T1.EAD you can mention there.
Okay.
Usually for key columns we'll use for joining. If at all you want to represent in the output, right? Must and should you need to put it in the select class, otherwise it won't come. There also you need to mention T1. You forgot to mention T1 there for e name.
Okay.
T1 dot.
Can we use star here?
You can use it, no issue. But
Again
the
a
thing
dot
is,
is remaining. Again a dot is remaining.
Remove the dot, bro.
Remove the dot.
Where exactly?
Yeah.
Yes.
Remove that dot. Yeah, now it's good.
Yeah. Got it.
Okay. Yeah. Can you mention star there? Remove just copy that query, entire query, and in place of the column name, just mention simply star.
In place of?
Yeah, remove all the columns, make it star.
Yeah.
It's good. Anyway, I'll show you tomorrow, guys. Okay. So I haven't executed and show you, right? See, now you see, as it is an inner join, the employee ID will get repeat in both the tables, right?
Correct.
Correct. So
Yes,
star
sir.
is not required. Why? Because why we required employee ID 2 times, correct?
Yes.
That required only for join. If I want to show you, you just select only one column between either of the tables, no issues, because in both the tables the same result set would be there, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Clear?
Yes.
Anyway, so tomorrow I'll show you the the practical session so that you'll get more idea. But before that, I want you to practice.
Okay.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Thanks, Vinod.
Yeah,
Thank you,
thanks.
sir.
నేను క్లాసే ఫినిష్ చేయలే అప్పుడే చూడండి అని వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. తాత్రం ఏమో నాకు అర్థమే కావట్లేదు.
సార్ నైట్ క్లాసెస్ కి ఎవరు జాయిన్ అవ్వట్లేదు సార్.
See, నేను
Yeah.